Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. We are back to the weekend. Here we are. We're just pushing through March just like we don't know any better. I'm telling you. So as you can see, we are starting the Wacky Bird because, yeah, just loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Oh, goodness. What a day. I had a few things I had to do today, and I still got to go to town. Isn't that exciting? I get to go to the grocery store. Yay! Oh, my goodness. I can't think of any other place I need to go. I'm all ready for the birthday party, so I don't have to go there. My daughter had to take her husband, my son-in-law, to the clinic to get some meds. He's got that cough thing going. So I guess they thought it warranted going to the clinic. So, oh, I'm using 302, which is a red. Never used 302 before that I know of. Probably have in other things, just didn't recognize it. It's not a color red that I would pick to stitch with for any, you know, so-called reason or anything. I like my 221, 498, and I think there's another one. Can't remember what it was right off bat. I don't like 666 red. It's too red for me. But my koi single color is done in 666 red, but it's just a little bright for me. So last night I watched the last part of Bridgerton, got through that, worked on Moulin Rouge a bit. Yeah, I came all the way down here for this one. We're just going to restart this thread. But, yeah. And I'm starting at the bottom, by the way. Just cause there's more of this red up there on the bird. But it was in the middle, and it's a little hard to video and, you know, do that, all the things. So, there was some down here, so I thought we might as well just get it done. It all needs to be done, right? It doesn't matter where you start. Do as you please. I am just one of those people. Just pick a pick a color, and I just go. So, yay. So I thought this red was nice and bright and easy to see. So anybody got any plans for the weekend? All I got is the birthday party. Yay! We'll go do that. It may be my daughter and I running the show, but, well, basically her running the show. But other than that, so my granddaughter, she's all excited for her big birthday party. And I guess there's going to be 5 to 7 kids there. They had to invite the entire classroom. I'm not real up on that whole idea, but okay. I get it. Everybody gets to come. But, so I don't know. I think my daughter said she had 5 or 7 kids that RSVP'd to this, you know, so that she knew how many were going to be there. So that ought to be just about enough. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it'll be a hoopty. May have to stop at McDonald's and get dinner. before I leave down there. Now, this is in the town that's where we go to Walmart. So it's about, not 45, 35, depending on traffic. We'll just go with that. And the weather, since it seems to be a factor. But, yeah, that road's a piece of work in the wintertime. I don't mind it when it's raining, but snow and ice, not my cup of tea. And I suppose I'll be going with my daughter, so not sure. Oh, goodness. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh, my goodness. I don't know why I'm so tired. Last night, I laid down about 7:15. I just couldn't handle it anymore. And slept until about 9 o'clock p.m. We're talking about p.m. And got up, and I was just totally, totally tired. I lasted 2 hours, and I went to bed about 11:30ish. I didn't get up before, oh dear, I think it was almost 8 o'clock. Yeah, I wasn't tired at all. Not at all. I have to remember this red when I go, getting a red color, because it's quite nice. And I've been using Sulky on my full coverage reds, so I tend to pick colors, from what they have. And I get all my stuff at 123 Stitch. I don't mess around. I ordered, I think it was, Cardinal Points from somebody else, another really popular place, but right at this, the name just eludes me. Yeah. And I don't know. It was just too much folderol. I can go to 123 Stitch and get everything I need, not have to take too much time. Well, that's just attractive, Laura. Hang on. We gotta fix an issue. There we go. I had kind of a loose thread. I did a short on how to fix loose threads. That's out there. And how to do the loop method and the sewing method. So, that's all there. I did one on how to get a single strand of thread out as well, but it was on my other phone, so I couldn't put it on again. I'll have to remake that. But, because it's important. I had no clue when I was trying to get a single thread. I would just cut like a piece and just pull a single strand out that way, but I didn't know that you could take them right off of the cards like that. Yeah, I had no clue. I just stitch. What can I say? I'm not real technical, if you will. So that's why I don't know a lot of technical things. I got that little tip from Jill Green here on YouTube, my friend in the UK. Or else I would have never known. I mean, I've seen people do that, but when I go to do it, evidently all the thread was folded up, and it doesn't work well that way at all. Yeah. Oh, goodness. So no other grandiose plans other than the birthday party. Let's just get through that, and then we get to go on to Easter. So, I don't know what kind of things I'll get my grandkids for Easter. Haven't even thought that far ahead. My daughter was talking about how they were going to have a brunch at one of the hot springs resorts. Oh my goodness, $50 a person, except for kids, and they're $20 a person. I said, my God, do they have eggs with gold? Or why? Could not understand it. So, don't think we'll be going to that this year. I said, we might wait a couple of years, to see if the kids, when the kids get to eating more and eating different stuff, they're not ready for foo-foo food, They just, no. And my daughter, she's very picky as well, so I said, well, that would be like a loss. Because I don't think my son-in-law and I could make up for that. And, what she doesn't eat. So, yeah. But, thought it would be wasted on the kids. That's kind of spendy for our realm. But, they have pictures on their, Facebook page of all that and how it's all set up and everything. I mean, it looks very nice, and they have lots of desserts, fancy dessert stuff. So, yeah, if my friend was here from Arizona, we might go, or something like that, but I still can't justify $100 to eat food. It just kind of drives me batty. I'm sorry. But they don't have many gourmet restaurants right here. Most of your gourmet restaurants and stuff are up in Vail and Breckenridge. I got no use for them myself. Just give me a McDonald's hamburger and I'm just a happy little camper. And it's have lunch for under $20. Not that I'm cheap, it's just I don't know. Not too much for that kind of thing. Our restaurant that my daughter and I go to all the time, it's plenty fancy enough. They have a well-rounded menu, and the food is always good. And I hate to go someplace and eat, and then you're hungry about a half an hour after you get home. From gourmet little... What did I do here? That was attractive. It was impressive. I did that all in one stroke. Hang on. We got an issue. Come on. What is going on? Okay. I think we got it half finished. Or fixed. Let me cut this thread though. Where's that needle? So yeah, we don't spend much time at those kind of restaurants. We go to that yuppie place in down there, same place where the party's gonna be. And they have nice hamburgers, they have fish, they have chicken. I don't know that they have steaks or not. I don't know, but it's plenty fancy enough for me, and it's kind of got a bar, if you will, but yet they do have a dining area, so we don't sit in there like a sports bar place. I don't know what you call it, but we like the food, so, and it's really consistently good, so yeah, very nice. Well, this is more threading and rethreading than I expected. I'm sorry. I just looked at the area and went, there's that symbol. Yeah, here we are. Stopping and starting again. My bad. Hold that thought. Made my spaghetti last night. It turned out good. I made way too much. Oh, here it is. But I can freeze the spaghetti sauce. I won't freeze the spaghetti. I don't think it freezes well, as far as I'm concerned. We used to do that when I worked for the Big Hut, you know, as in the pizza place. Yeah. Because we'd have, you know, a couple of pasta dishes. But, yeah, no. So I just freeze the sauce and I'll put it in a couple little bags. That way I can have it for 2 or 3 days. Because there's no room in that freezer. I really should eat the stuff in the freezer. But I go to the grocery store and then I get new ideas. And here we are. Hey, at least I had the hamburger this time. That's more than I can say than most times when I decide to make spaghetti. I really wanted to get some sweet Italian sausage. I like making my spaghetti with that every once in a while. And I actually had garlic bread. I mean, it was like amazing, too. Whew. But I really got to use some of this stuff in the freezer, so. And get it kind of cleaned out and ready to start again in the fall. Oh, goodness. So other than that, just no plans. Hopefully it'll be a nice quiet week when I go to work, because I gotta work Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Woohoo! And I don't think we're not supposed to have an order because the boss isn't here and, you know, stuff, so that'll help. And she got enough stuff this week that we shouldn't need anything. In the wintertime, we go to every other week of ordering stuff. My eyes itch. Must be all the crap blowing around. Yeah, and then in the summer, we have huge orders, because we have to order every week. And it's a little bit hectic. And we go through a lot more products than in the wintertime. Although winter has been pretty good. Oh, goodness. Having trouble. There's a green symbol right there, and I keep seeing it out of the corner of my eye, thinking, oh, I gotta get over there. But it's not even the same symbol. There is some, like, right there on that edge. I don't know, go left, go right, go... Yeah, we'll just go. I hate it when they're scattered all over and you don't know which direction to stitch in. So, I probably use more thread than I really should, you know. But, hey, it is what it is. We get it stitched. So what's everybody working on? Are you working on something exciting? Maybe something for a gift or something, you know, just for your own benefit? Or are you working on spring stuff? Are you working on winter stuff still? Or, you know, does that not affect you? I mean, as far as you just stitch on a project and you don't care what season it goes with. I don't know. Sometimes I'm seasonal and sometimes I'm not. I'm not consistent. You know, at all. But I try to get the winter stuff done and started in like November. And then stitch on it, you know, through till like January, February. But not Christmas stuff. I just can't bring myself to do that. So, yeah. That's why my Christmas projects are very much behind. I noticed, is it Diamond Painting Effects with Corey? I think that's it. Hopefully I got your name, your YouTube name right. She's working on that nativity. I bought that one, but you know what I did with it? I put it in the crate with all the Christmas stuff, so yeah. But it's coming along beautifully. It's a gorgeous picture. Just absolutely gorgeous. Just love it. And it's so much better than the other one that's a, it's like a stained glass. I like it too, but I don't know. I like the other one better. It's a lot more defined, if you will. So, yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. We just got 2 more. The 2 I was talking about that I had my thumb on. Right next to the green. Please. All right. We got it. Yay. Yeah, this bird is going to be so cool. I just love it. I love all the ones I get. What can I say? I'm just terrible. I'm going to live to be like 10 million years old, you know, because I got all the stitching that I need to do. And we get more every day. So, yeah. We're going to live that long, right? Alright, guys. I think that's going to be about it for today. I'll continue. See, it's kind of sprinkled right through there. We'll try to get all that done. Alright, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.